Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we were removing the clock spring, and we noticed when we were trying to disconnect this connector, we were having trouble. This is a 2008 Subaru Outback. All you'll need is a straight head screwdriver to disconnect this. You can try pushing down here. We were unsuccessful to get it to pop out. You need some brute strength, but if you take a flathead screwdriver and push down all the way, then you pull your hand out of the way, the connector will come right apart.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.